Introducing Sandbox, your safe space to explore, test, integrate and master Soldo. With Sandbox, you can activate a secure space completely isolated from your production account. No data, no risks, just a blank canvas with many possibilities. Experiment with configurations, activate features, create users and cards, transfer funds, all in a controlled environment. Building integrations? Use Sandbox to safely test and fine-tune your workflows with the Soldo Business API without any risk to your production data. And with 100,000 in virtual funds, you can generate transactions to mimic real spending, making it possible to try out new settings and workflows, all without using real money. Whether you're fine-tuning policies, testing integrations, or training your team, Sandbox gives you the freedom to explore and experiment without disruption.